using 16-ounce tall boy cans in the shotgun showdown.
Yep.
And bite. Think you can come to my neighborhood, stranger? Spit your shit all over my town. Oh God, you got me. Oh God, I'm dying. Ah, shit.
It's always in my face. Why is it always in my face?
I shot your hat off though. Damn. All right, GoPro. Oh, all right. Shit. You want me to shotgun it? There we go. Gotta poke a bigger hole. All right.
Do it.
I'm spilling it on my hat. All right, ready?
Uh-huh.
And I'm already out of breath from the fight. Go.
Good job. Okay.